In our short story unit, we read the story New York Day Women about a mother and a daughter and how maybe the daughter doesn't know or understand her mother as well as she thinks she does. This story, Girl, by Jamica Kincaid, is again about a mother and daughter relationship. In this case, the mother is very dominant in what she expects of her daughter, and the daughter feels constrained by what is expected of her. And it's not just the mother's expectations, but I think it's also cultural and society's expectations on girls. Considering Kincaid's background, this is probably pretty much based on what she grew up with. So as you read the story, try to work with the unusual format and really kind of look at what the mother, i.e. society, is expecting from this girl or from girls in general, and how that may be too constraining and restrictive for young women. I think that in this class we will be talking a lot about feminism and the roles of women and culture and expectations throughout the course. So this is one place where you can start thinking about what society and culture expects of women and what women might fight against or find constraining. So enjoy the story, and we'll talk about it in class.